In this question, we are given that if each side of a parallelogram P has length equals to 1, we have to find the area of P. Now, let's first construct a parallelogram and name it as A, B, C, D. Now, ABCD is a parallelogram with all sides equal to 1. Now, to find the area, we need to know about the length of the base times the height of the parallelogram. Now, to find the height, let's draw a perpendicular line from the vertex D to the line AB and name it as DE. So, here DE is the height of the parallelogram. Now, let's move on to step 2 and analyze the statement 1. We are given that one angle of P measures 45 degree. Suppose angle A measures 45 degree. Now, let's redraw the triangle ADE here again. So, we have ADE as a triangle and angle A is equals 45. Now, since we had drawn a perpendicular from D to AB, angle AED will be equal to 90 degree and therefore ADE will be equal to 45 degree. We also know that the length of AD is equal to 1. Now, since this is an isosceles right angle triangle, the sides opposite to the two equal angles will be equal. This means that the length of AE equals DE. Now let's assume them to be equal to x. Then by Pythagoras theorem, we have AD squared equals AE squared plus DE squared. This gives us 1 equals x squared plus x squared or 1 equals 2x squared. Then we have half is equal to x squared. This implies that the value of x is 1 by root 2. On rationalizing this, we get that x is equal to root 2 by 2. So, this is the side and this is also equal to the height. So, the height of the parallelogram is equal to root 2 by 2. Therefore, the area will be equal to base times height. Now, the base is nothing but AB and the height is DE. After plugging in the values, we get 1 times root 2 by 2, which gives us the value that the area of the parallelogram is root 2 by 2. Hence, statement 1 is sufficient and out of the given options, we eliminate B, C and E. We now check the sufficiency of statement 2. According to statement 2, the altitude is equal to root 2 by 2. Now, this directly gives us the height of the parallelogram. Therefore, we can find the area which is equal to base times height. Now, the base is equal to 1 and the height is root 2 times 2. So, area is also equal to root 2 by 2. Hence, statement 2 is also sufficient and thus the correct answer is option D.